Good morning from Albuquerque. Good morning. Noche. Can you tell I had my coffee? I'm on my way to work. Traffic is very, very slow. And today, let's break bread at the Church Street Cafe at 6:30 p.m. They are going to reserve or at least I reserved a table for us. And let me know, confirm with me today, if you could please, that you are coming. Where is Church Street Cafe? It's on Church Street. I don't remember the full numbers. Google it. But anyway, let's meet there today, 6:30, Church Street Cafe. Break bread, say hello, take some pictures, maybe play a little game, and get to know each other. All right, Koshina, thank you so much. Woohoo!